Okay, so guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had internet issues, so I had to sort out. We can start the live stream. So as you also can comment back with the comments that you're asking. I know there's someone who was asking me about copy trading and everything, so you can keep on commenting down below. I'll be reading through the comment, and don't forget to hit that like button as we go straight. I'll go straight to analyze the market because I see we are late. It's almost 10:53. Okay, so today, of course, fundamentally, we are going to start with the forest factory in check and what is really happening. Of course, we are all aware today is big day in the US. They are swearing in their new president, which is Donald Trump, who is Donald Trump, and of course, we expect the market volatility from today and tomorrow on Tuesday. And of course, the pairs that are going to be affected, of course, they are all the USD pairs and the also gold and also the crypto industry, the Bitcoin and everything. Yeah. So I'll go directly to do the normal analysis we normally do, the technical analysis, and also be aware of what is happening fundamentally. Okay. So as a joining in top down analysis on XAUSD, I'll do XAUSD. Okay. So let's start on the first pair. Our first pair is normally Euro CHF. And those watching me on TikTok, I'm live. I'll just live on YouTube. That's so you can be able to see the live stream. This is Euro CHF. So this pair we have been trading from last week, but I have a different view. Remove drawings. I'll go to selected pairs. Let me, because of time, allow me to go to selected pairs, and then you guys, you can now shout out to which pairs you are looking for me to be able to add to be able to be able to do analysis for them. So I'll check out Euro CHF, I'll check out GBP AUD, no Euro AUD, GBP CAD, GBP JPY, gold, and also Bitcoin and which other pairs. Then you can add on some few pairs first we can finance on this analysis because we are late for analysis. Okay, on I'll start on EuroCAD and this EuroCAD. So on EuroCAD, the market, for me, the market is bullish currently. And the reason why is because the market was unable to break this particular zone and forming a reversal structures. I remember last week, did I give EuroCAD on my VIP last week? We had we are not seeing the screen. Oh, sorry guys, I not seeing my screen. Sorry. I thought you were seeing share the screen. Sorry, I was not aware. Okay. So this is where I was starting on. Now you can see the screen. Now me one boy. I see Abdullah saying you cannot see. Now the screen is visible. Okay. So this is a view I have on EuroCAD, Euro CHF. So let's just go slow. On Euro CHF, this market has been on a very bearish movement, which is on a weekly time frame. And also the things we check whether the market is changing direction. We normally check the change of character. We normally check the change of the patterns, and also we check the trend line to confirm from us that there is a change of direction. No, there is a change of the direction where the market was heading to. So currently, the Euro CHF, the market was really bearish, and now the market broke up the trend line, which we can clearly see we had a breakout of our trend line and then a retest and then the market is going. For me, this is confirming for me the market is preparing for it has already actually changed the direction from a bearish movement to a bullish movement. Currently, I'm expecting for more buys on Euro CHF. So now you can see the screen. I hope you can see. So I'm expecting for more buys. Which are the zones? Okay, so currently we have this zone, and then we have this zone on Euro CHF. So I'll be targeting this market to come back all the way to these areas. And for us to have an entry on Euro CHF here, so I'm expecting this on a daily time frame, not that this on a daily time frame. So meaning we are very bullish on it. So what I'm doing is actually the market has already done what we normally say when a red candle is divided by a green candle. Guys, you can see. So we normally say whenever you see this red candle here, by then by this green candle, and the market is approaching like this a surprise zone, there's high probability this market is going to break this particular zone. It's going to break this particular zone. So currently this is an order block which is left here. So we are going to have another re-entry once the market is back to again to this order block. So wait for a scenario like this. So this is on Euro CHF. Wait for a scenario like this to have this entry. So Wait for the market to come do a breakout of structure here, and then retest again to this order block, and then we continue buying. So we are going to have another re-entry on Euro CHF once the market is back again to this particular zone, and then we are going to have a long position from here. So today I've said you are going to allow me to cut down the analysis. I want to do all the pairs, the 30 pairs. I'll do the selected pairs we normally focus on. So, and then I'll be targeting the forward on Euro CHF. So a breakout and then a retest to this. Guys, you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? I have shared my screen. Guys, can you see my screen? Can you comment down below? No. What's happening? What's happening with my internet today? I'll get my screen now again. Naomi Wamboi, Masharia, share again ilikuwa. But mko hapa kama naona comment, that means you guys the internet still stable. Okay. So you can see the screen now. Yes. Your network is not good today. Yes. My internet is not okay. Actually, I've shifted from my internet and now I'm shift to bundles. Yes. Okay. So let's continue. So what I mean is I'm looking forward for a bullish movement. And also this market is on lower time frame on pause. It has already done a reversal structures. You can clearly see a reversal structures of an inverse head and shoulder here. We can clearly see we have a reverse structures over this structure here. You can see it. This one. I have shoulders and shoulders, and then you have this OB which is left here and expecting for more buys on this pair. Of course, I expect more buys, but you can also have a re-entry once the market is back to this order block here. So I'm expecting for Euro CHF a continuation on buys. Let's go to Eurocard. The same case is happening on Eurocard. I'm expecting for more buys on Eurocard, and there's a change of character. Let me see. The market is also trending on the above the trend line of the 4 hours and 1 hour, indicating that the market is currently bullish. You can clearly see the market was really obeying this. We had a breakout, a retest again, indicating for more buys. I remember we were expecting. I think on Friday we got on a target. I was targeting to buy here, but unfortunately the market ilifika up. It missed very few pips for me to have a re-entries on this pair. So the only zone I will be expecting for more buys on this Euro card. I expect this market unless it give us a very discounted levels of this area that I've marked here. These are only discounted levels we can expect more buys on Euro card. Where's our pal? So if you're looking for to buy Euro card, make sure these are the only discounted prices. We can only expect more buys. So I'm expecting more buys on Euro card on those levels, long position. So the reason why I'm going directly, not doing the top-down analysis. I normally do the top-down analysis because when we have time, but now I'm going directly because I've been doing this analysis. We were here last week, but I didn't go live on YouTube. But we are doing this the same analysis last week on this pair. So I clearly know where the market is really heading to. So I have a track record where the market is heading to, and I know like I've been doing the analysis for the past 1 week, and I'm now I've already gassed up. I've already catching the movement on where the market is really heading to, the trends in the market. I know GBP card is heading there. I know GBP JPY has this trend, has these zones, and this I've already marked my zones. So this is the only discounted level. So these are the only discounted levels I'm expecting on Eurocard. So make sure you have your discounted levels at these particular levels on Eurocard. So let's go to the next pair. This is a GBP card. So Travis Ken is saying we have got change of character on daily time frame. So I like also comment down below if you have the same view with me. Also, you have seen something on or add-ons on the comments. You can comment below because we say this is a community. You put down something so people know that we are clearly on the same direction we are normally talking about. So on Pasana. So Travis Ken, are you talking about the change of character on which time frame? On which pair and which time frame? Daily time frame? Or are you talking about Eurocard or are you talking about Euro CHF? So Euro CHF is bullish, Eurocard is bullish also. So we are looking forward for buys, but we have already marked our zones. We are looking forward to have our buys. So this is GBP card. Okay, so on GBP card, let me show you something. So this has been a flag. I was identifying this as a flag, and I was looking for, guys, is my screen clearly? Can you see my screen clearly? Am I okay? Let me see because I know today I'm facing internet problem. I'm not sure if you guys can really focus for see my screen clearly. I like Ikariki saying okay. Okay. So on GPP card, I was viewing this as a flag. But one thing I've noticed is that this market has already broken the flag on the upper side, indicating for more buys. So you can clearly see this is the channel I was seeing on GPP card. So I noticed there's one thing. This market even is not creating near low, but obeying in a schedule to create newer lows. But every time it's creating a high, indicating for more buys. And that's why we had this flag. You can see this small flag here on 1 hour. This is a small flag which was here, indicating for more buys. So on GPP card, I'm looking forward for more buys, but not buys at this particular level. So I'm expecting the more buys to give me more a change or more confirmation of more buys in such a way that either we have a reversal structures of a head and shoulder. Oh, we had this zone which was a bit okay. I did not see this. Let me show you guys. So there's this on the market approached. This on GPP card. And you know GPP card is one of our favorite pair. The market was unable to break this particular zone, which is also a very strong demand. And now the market forming this channel and now trading above the channel. So I'm expecting for more buys on Eurocard. So the only place I can expect more buys again, it's only at this particular order block. So let me show you a scenario where I normally talk about red candlestick binded by a green candlestick. I normally talk about this each and every time. I hope you guys you have learned something from me each and every day I do this analysis. I talk about whenever you see this red candlestick approaching such a very strong zone above, the market has a high probability of breaking this particular zone because this is normally another block which is left behind. Let's come back again to Eurocard and I show you something like this, which is I've already explained about something like that. Is it Eurocard or is it EuroCHF? Is EuroCHF. I've talked about, you see, a red candlestick is burdened by a green candlestick, meaning there's high probability this market will come and break this particular zone and create a new high, come back again to this order block, and then continue buying. The same scenario that happened on GPP card, coming back on 1 hour, you can clearly see this market already left this orders block here and we had this zone. So it had high probability of breaking this zone, creating a new high, come back again to this particular level, and then we continue buying. So meaning our only buying zone we have in the currently is at these particular levels on GPP card. So these are the only levels, but these only levels, be very careful with them. Be very careful on the levels of GPP card. But these are the only levels we have them. I don't know why I feel they are much likely to be risky, but this one is more the only levels we are looking forward to buy on GBP card. So you normally know that when you are doing analysis, today it's on Monday, this analysis will last for the next one, like the next whole week. So these are the only views we'll be checking up and following the trends each and every day we come do the market recap. On Euro AUD, okay, so on Euro AUD last week, we bought this using our VIP group and we gave these buys all the way and was targeting this near high. Then unfortunately, this market is unable to break this near high. Let's come back to daily time frame. Okay, so on daily time frame, there's somewhere I saw another block. Is it not this pair? Euro AUD. This is a very big red flag. Okay, so let me show you something, guys. Okay, so Euro AUD. This was my view last week. Okay, so we had our buys from this point, targeting this near high. Every time you're having your order, make sure you're having or securing your profit with a near high or near zone the market is approaching because you are not guaranteed the market is going to break that particular zone 100%. So meaning I was buying this particular zone, but expecting more buyers to break this zone. Unfortunately, you can see the market moving in the very bearish movement, a very strong bearish movement, having a big rejection from this particular zone. Okay, coming back to this on 1 hour, you can clearly see this market is forming a reversal structures of a head and shoulder. These are head and shoulder, indicating for more sellers. These are head, a shoulder, and a shoulder. And another thing is on weekly time frame, I can clearly see the weekly time frame close. Let me remove drawing so you can clearly see. On weekly time frame, this one, sorry. on weekly time frame, you can clearly see the market closed with a very bearish candlestick. Whenever you see such a candlestick, the market normally come to fill these particular levels. So meaning this is the only liquidity of the weekly time frame, meaning I'm not expecting this week, this market to come back and fill this zone here, come and fill all the way down here. So meaning on Euro AUD, I'm bearish on it. I'm not longer bullish as I was from last week because the market was unable. And another thing is on weekly time frame, you can see it binded last week, binded the other previous week, a green candlestick with a red candlestick, meaning the leaving it as another block. Meaning we're expecting more bearish on Euro AUD. So meaning this Euro AUD is very bearish. That's the conclusion. So once I know that the market is bearish, I come back again to 1 hour and 4 hours. I focus on the market analysis and then marking my entry zones and looking the zones I'll be focusing. So meaning on Euro AUD, I'll be looking forward for more sellers at this particular level. These are head and shoulder. So these are the only sellers zones I'm looking for sellers, and I'll be targeting this particular level. So the TP for the TP of the whole this movement, I'm expecting it to come back all the way here. So TP1 will be here. So TP1 should be at this particular level. TP1 and then TP2 will be this particular level. So on Euro AUD, that's a view on it. Short position. Short position and a stop loss above it and target all the way down here with a risk reward ratio of 5. Guys, are you getting me? Your ADSO change of character daily. Are we okay? Guys, you can comment. Are you okay? And if you have any comment, just note down below. So let's go to the next pair. This is on GBP JPY. So I've said today I'm going to do very few pairs, and I'm not going to do all these analysis. I'll just do selected pairs. So these pairs are aligning with the pairs that we normally check. So on Euro GBP JPY, there's one thing I've noticed. This GBP JPY has been very bearish for long, not long, but the past few weeks. But I've seen the market has already broken the trend line. Okay, this is a trend line I was expecting this market to break. You can clearly see this is a trend line. The market is trading above. The market is trading above the trend line. So I'm expecting for a retest and then look for more buys on GBP JPY. I'm looking for a retest, this particular level, and on a streak, I'm looking for buys on GBP JPY. That's the only view I have on G, and that's the only reason why I'm looking for to buy this pair and target all the way here. That's the only target I'll be looking for, and target these particular levels. Guys, are you catching me? Guys, are you getting me? Is everything okay? Is my network okay? I haven't seen any comments again. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. And there's someone who was talking about there's an inverse shoulder. Oh, this one was talking. I think there's another shoulder here. So there's someone who had talked about this. I'll comment to me the other day. Was it on Friday? I'll come in here. So this, I think it's Sarah who showed me this thing. Sarah told me there's this particular zone. So when you mark this particular zone, so you just come here and then you just click here, extend to the right. Yeah, the zone is valid, indicating overhead and shoulders. Ahead, a double bottom of reversal, then head and shoulders. Now I'm looking for buys on GBP JPY. Yeah, that's the view. So any pair, because I think I'm exhausting the pairs I'm supposed to analyze. JPY, USD JPY. Let's check USD JPY. I'm expecting also for buys on USD JPYs today. If you're looking I'm looking forward for more buys on USD JPYs. Is there any other block or something like that? Oh, this is a change of character here. Okay. XAUSD, as I'm checking gold, I'm doing the analysis on gold. So apart from Euro AUD GBP card, which other pairs are we checking? NZDC, no, this NZDCHF, no. USDCHF. USDCHF, I'm expecting for more buys on USDCHF today in such a way of a breakout and retest. Remember when we had this area? So I'm expecting for more buys. Actually, these are the zone I'm expecting buys on this pair. from a breakout and a retest of this area, breakout and of this zone, and then a retest. I'm expecting for more buys on USD CHF today and target that zone above. This is the liquidity level. Let's mark here. There's something I've seen. Are there other blocks there? This is on 1 hour, something on 30 minutes. Yeah. So expect for more buys from this particular level at this particular level. So expect for more buys on USD CHA from this area. This is an example, a clear example of another block. You see this red candlestick? Let me show you. The market broke these structures. So this is a clear indication of another block if you don't know. A red candlestick left, the market break the structures, come back again, tap that other block, and then goes all the way to the near how the market was. So this is a clear indication of how another block clearly works. So these are the buying zone for USD So I think I've done all these analysis on just a moment, guys. The next one I'll be doing is gold, and then from gold, I don't think there's any other pair I'll be checking out. Gold and Bitcoin. Gold. Let's go to gold now. Okay. So honestly, today I'm expecting for a drop on gold because I'm expecting for a strong dollar. And now for the sales, it's not a long term. Like I honestly not view it as a very long term, but I'm expecting a very strong sales on gold today. So this is a view on gold. I have this channel that I've been observing. Let me show you. So regarding the fundamentally of what is really happening today, so I'm expecting a strong dollar. Meaning, when you have a strong dollar, I'm expecting more sales. But where are we going to have our sales? So currently, I can only say that you can only wait for the New York session, around the New York session, not the London session, because I know the market will be volatile during towards the New York session. That's when the volume will be having expecting high volume in the market. But the thing is I'm expecting sales on gold. I'm expecting sales on this pair. Did we have other block there? Oh yeah, we had this other block here. Okay. I hope guys you can see this other block here. It is available on 30 minutes. And I'm expecting for more SARS on this pair. And then we have this inverse head and shoulder. Okay. So there's one thing I'll tell you something because I can clearly see this. There's this another zone here. Wait for this market to break for this particular level to break this area. Once it breaks, and then now you can wait for a small retracement and continue selling this pair. Yeah, that's the view on gold. Any other question? Any other question? Any other pair guys you want me to check out? So which are the A setups you are looking forward to? We are looking forward for today. Which are the A setups? Guys, can you hear me? I don't know why I can see this comment. Is everything okay? But I can see myself. The last comment, yes, okay. So let's wind up the live stream with the A setups we have. So for today, so we are expecting our buys on Euro CHF, buys on Euro card, buys on GPP card also, and buys on GPP JPY. Buys on GPP JPYs. We are expecting sales on gold, and we are expecting buys on USD CHF and buys on each other pair USD JPY. Those are the views we have. So you can go back and review the live stream. For any inquiries, you can also text me. If you don't have any question, kindly comment right now below because you are almost ending up the live stream. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? AUD, Duncan Kama is asking about AUD JPY. Let me check it out. This has done even a reversal structures of an inverse head and shoulder. I'm expecting for more buys on this pair. I'm expecting for more buys and target this particular level. Target is near high here. Target that near high. I'm expecting for more buys. You have so many drawings. Let me move them. So I've seen on a 1 hour, that's when you have the reversal structures. And then I'm expecting for more buys. So you can even wait for this market to hold above this zone and then continue buying. But now the buys should target all the way here. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? I don't know why my internet is bad today. I have a very poor internet today. Any question?